Your teacher has shared a Padlet with you to post upon. The way you're going to do that is you're going to come over to this bottom corner and there's going to be a plus sign. The color may be different based on what your background your teacher has chosen. To actually post, you're going to click on that button and then you have a subject area up at the top. At the subject area, you're going to write your name. If you are just supposed to be typing your response, you're going to click down in this area down below, and that's where you can actually type out your response. If you would rather not type or the directions tell you to do something different, you have other options. This one would be if you're going to upload a file from your computer. So you see kind of that arrow for upload. This one would be if you're going to take a picture using your webcam. The next one, it would be a link to another website. The last one on here is the image search. So that'd be searching for an image on the internet. The final button at the end here with the 3 dots gives you more options. So if I click on that button, I have lots more things that I could add. One option that your teacher might ask you to do is either add a video, which would then give you the option to record a video on your screen, or an audio recorder. So that would allow you to just hear your voice but no video. Once I've chosen my option, so let's say I'm going to add an image and I'm going to search for something. So I'm going to search for a sunset based on whatever topic your teacher has asked you to do. And then I've typed my response down here. When I'm ready for it to go on to the Padlet, I'm going to click this button that says Publish. When I do that, it's going to be right on the screen. You're going to see many of your classmates' posts on here as well. If your teacher has asked you to respond to your classmates, the way you would do that is you're going to come down to this Add Comment area, and that means you're responding to the post above it. So I can click on Add Comment, and I can type right in that area of what I want to say.